Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a multi-purpose string. You can use this pattern for your headbands, belts, back straps or curtain straps. So let's start together. Start with the slip knot, then chain 1. Please stretch it yarn over. Insert your hook to the first chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 3 times, yarn over and pull up loop 4 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop twice, 3 times, and the last time yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, turn your work. From now on we crochet in the puff stitch on the left side. Insert your hook on top of my puff stitch and pull up loop 4 times, and the last time yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over, turn your work. Insert your hook on top of my puff stitch on the left side and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 4 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5, and repeat, yarn over, turn your work. Insert your hook on top of my puff stitch on the left side and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop 4 times. Now last time, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. Once more, yarn over and pull up loop 4 times, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 5, keep going. At the end, crochet your puff stitch, but don't crochet the chains. Turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook on top of the puff stitch on the left, then make a puff stitch, your last puff stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off. I appreciate your taking the time. I value the insight and guidance you provide. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. Have a nice one. Bye, Flash.